Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Quadratec pre-runner LED light kit available for the 18 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL. This kit installs 3 waterproof amber LEDs right into the grille of your Wrangler, giving it a great bit of pre-runner styling. Now, if you happen to have a different model Jeep vehicle, you can click on the info button to head over to Quadratec.com to see what other models of Jeeps we have the pre-runner LED light kits available for. The kit includes 3 of the waterproof amber LEDs that are SAE and DOT approved, meaning the kit is 100% street legal. It also includes 3 of the grommets that mount the lights into the grille of your Wrangler, as well as a totally plug-and-play wiring kit that's not going to require any cutting or splicing of your factory wiring. In fact, the T connector simply plugs in between the factory connector on the driver's side marker wiring of your Wrangler. And because that connector is using that factory wiring loom, well, that means the lights are going to turn on automatically when your running lights turn on in the Jeep, so you're not installing any additional wiring or switches inside the cab of your Wrangler. Now, the installation is pretty easy and takes just a few minutes. In fact, all you're going to need is a couple hand tools, either a panel tool or a flathead screwdriver, as well as a pair of side cutters. We need to go ahead and remove the grille of the Wrangler first. Once we have the grille removed, we can go ahead and locate a couple of the diagonal supports in the 2nd, 4th, and 6th grille slat on the front of our Wrangler. Now, we're going to be making 4 cuts in each slat with those side cutters to those diagonal supports, making room to install the LED lights. We can fish the wiring behind the driver's side headlight, and then we're going to install the connector in between the connector on the driver's side factory fender flare. And once we have that finished, we can go ahead and reinstall the grille onto our Wrangler and fish each one of the lights and the grommets separately through the holes we cut earlier in our grille slats. And you can see it's just that easy to change up the look of the front of your Wrangler in a matter of minutes, giving you a bit of styling to the front of your Jeep and helping you get noticed better at night. Now, if you guys want to get more information or purchase a set of the Quadratec pre-runner LED lights for your Jeep, you can click that info button and head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the kit or how to get it installed, you can always leave those for us in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And you'll definitely want to hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest product reviews and install videos. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.